This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix error code 50 in Steam. Follow these easy steps to fix this error. First of all, launch your Steam and you have to sign out of your account. So click on your username and click on sign out of account. Once done, go to your desktop and click on this search icon and here type run. And now open the run app and here type temp and click on OK. And now all you have to delete all of these files. So press Ctrl A to select all files and press on delete on your keyboard. Once you've deleted all files from here, again click on this search box and type here uninstall. Now open add or remove programs. Once you are here, click on this search box and type here Steam. Now you will get Steam here, so click on it, click on uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, you have to reinstall the Steam software, and this is the only method to fix this error. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.